Hello everyone. Today we will talk about taking the necessary steps to set API key for OpenAI in Python. In order for you to start, you will need to have an OpenAI account. If you do not have one, simply sign up using your email. Click API. Navigate to the Settings tab on the top right corner. Scroll down to Billing on your left and enter your details on the page. Navigate back to your dashboard and on your left again, API keys. Here you obtain your key. Press Create New Secret Key on the top right. Click on Create Secret Key. Copy, click Done. Navigate to Docs. Scroll down to Chat Completions on your left again. Scroll down the page. Here's an example for us to use within Python. I'm going to copy it and run the script in Python. It is a command. First, you want to install OpenAI. Type in pip install OpenAI. While that is connecting, you are going to require your key that you obtained in the previous step. Paste it in the line provided on the next line and attach it with the variable. Type in OpenAI.API_key is equal to. After I run it, I will get an error. You first have to import OpenAI as you've previously installed it in the previous step. Okay, once that is done, you are going to run your key again. You have now successfully set your API key in Python. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.